How to integrate CJ dropshipping with Etsy. Welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to integrate CJ dropshipping with Etsy, two powerful platforms that can help you streamline your dropshipping business. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's go to our Google Chrome and let's type in CJ dropshipping. Here, let's click on CJ Dropshipping Sign In or Login. By the way guys, CJ Dropshipping is a popular dropshipping supplier that offers a wide range of products and fulfillment services. So here, this is our dropshipping, CJ Dropshipping, so we have to log in. So for me, I'm gonna log in using my Google account. So here, this is our CJ Dropshipping website. I made this for tutorial purposes only, so it may look different on your end. But here, let's see. As you can see, there are lots of products that we can use right here. So you can see those products. You can connect it to your CJ Dropshipping and sell it to your online platform using CJ Dropshipping. And the next one is Etsy. Let's go to our Etsy account. Go to another tab, etsy.com, and hit enter. So here, this is our Etsy account. And by the way guys, Etsy provides a marketplace for artisans and entrepreneurs to sell their unique products. By integrating these two platforms, you can expand your product offering on Etsy and benefit from CJ Dropshipping's efficient order fulfillment. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the process of integrating CJ Dropshipping with Etsy, including setting up your CJ Dropshipping account, importing products to your store, and managing orders. So if you're ready, let's dive in on integrating these two. So we will gonna be using a third party, but first, let's go here and let's try to add a CJ Dropshipping to our Etsy account. So here, recommended products for e-commerce platform. So click on this. This is the Etsy. So here, find unique handcrafted. So we can connect it by here, authorizations. As you can see, click on Etsy. So as we can see right here, I want to know something about CJ. No, that. So here, our Etsy store is now connected to our CJ Dropshipping store. And also, you can just enter it right here. You can enter your store name right here for Etsy. So for me, I have this one. So it is authorized field. So you have to click on authorized or add store right here, the upper right part. So here, let's connect this one. Sign into your account, connect with Google, enter your Google account. So let's wait. Now authorization success. So CJ will help you make dropshipping business much easier. So we've successfully connected our CJ Dropshipping to our Etsy account. So the third part is we're gonna be using a third-party application. So we're gonna be using Zapier right here. So connect this app. So let's integrate CJ Dropshipping with Etsy. So on this tab right here on Make a Zap, the first tab is we'll be gonna be typing CJ Dropshipping. So there is no CJ Dropshipping on this one. So let's try Etsy. No So I think we can't use this one right here. So I think let's create this app. Let's search. So it's not working on Zapier, so we have to use automate.io. So here, automate.io is now. Let's try on this part. Automate.io. Let's try to click on this one first. So it's temporarily down. So automate.io is not working very well right now. So here, as you can see, we've already connected our Etsy account to our CG Dropshipping. So let's try to on this one. The authorization for the Etsy. Just go to authorization, go to Etsy. So you can see right here is our Etsy and add store. Click on add store. Connect it with CJ Dropshipping. So once the authorization is success, you are good to go. That's how you integrate CJ Dropshipping to your Etsy account. So let's go to our Etsy account right here. So here, transfer store. So it's store name, old account name, just submit, enter new account, right here, verification code, and that's it. We hope you found this tutorial on how to integrate CG Dropshipping with Etsy insightful and helpful. By combining the unique offerings of both platforms, you can leverage an expansive product catalog of CG Dropshipping while capitalizing on Etsy dedicated customer base. Remember to optimize your product listings, guys, and manage inventory, and also provide excellent customer service to drive success in your dropshipping venture. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with integrating CJ dropshipping with Etsy, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tutorials. And always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.